Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix payment decline on Stockx. Now payment decline usually happens in the checkout page because it is very known that it will only be happening there. So as you can see here, sometimes like for example, I will be interested in an item. So let me just go back here. And as you will be seeing, okay, I see 141, pretty nice. And let's say for example you only have $141 in your account, but guys, there is something happening with this website, because once you click on the product, the actual prices change a little bit sometime. For example, this one has gone up by $1. Usually it goes by 7, 5, 10, but this one has changed from to $1, like from 141 to 142. Now usually would have only sufficient amount of balance in your account to afford the 141. In this case, when you go to buy now and you actually go through the payment process, which is very simple, you go and you put your credentials, you put your payment choice and the credentials of your payment method, and right away click on buy and click on checkout, and eventually they will say that this is declined. Well, this the first thing to check is basically the price. This price might have gotten up and you don't have enough funds. Now there is another thing that you should take in consideration, is the fact that the servers are down. Usually the checkout page has a lot of problems, as you will see in this website. Checkout has 29% of the most reported problems by the sites. So always try to go to downdetector.com and check if there is any problems with the actual website. So if there was a problem from the end, then you should wait a little bit until they fix it, until they update it or done the maintenance, and then you can go back and try to buy again. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.